Hello students, here is teacher Pedro and it's time for English. But first, what are we going to study? And for the topic of today, we have a new word and is occupations. So, let's learn about occupations. So, topic 15. What does a space do? What does a space do? So, the occupation number 1 is seamstress. Observe. Seamstress. What does a seamstress do? Let's repeat. What does a seamstress do? Number 2, nurse. What does a nurse do? Let's repeat. What does a nurse do? Number 3, actress. What does an actress do? Let's repeat. What does an actress do? Interesting. Next one is farmer. And let's repeat. What does a farmer do? Let's repeat. What does a farmer do? Let's continue with scientist. What does a scientist do? Repeat. What does a scientist do? And the next one is architect. Let's repeat now the next question. What does an architect do? Let's repeat. What does an architect do? Let's continue with teacher. Pay attention to the spelling. Teacher. What does a teacher do? Let's repeat. What does a teacher do? Now we have something new. Computer network architect. Let's repeat. Computer network architect. And the question is, what does a computer network architect do? Let's repeat. What does a computer network architect do? Interesting. And finally, we have YouTuber. Let's repeat. YouTuber. And the question is, what does a YouTuber do? Let's repeat. What does a YouTuber do? That's a very interesting and very trendy right now. And now, pay attention. Look over here. Pay attention. A or and. A or and. And here we have two pictures. What does an actress do? Or what does an actress do? In the picture number 1 is incorrect. What does an actress do? Important. This is very important because actress start with the letter A, actress. And the letter A is a vowel. As a result, we have to use and. What does an actress do? That's the correct one. Remember, when a word starts with a vowel, we use and. Let's pay attention to the other example. A or and. And two pictures we have. What does a seamstress do? Or what does a seamstress do? Number 1, what does a seamstress do? Number 2, what does an seamstress do? Take your time, think about that. And the question is, number 1, what does a seamstress do? Seamstress starts with the letter S. S is a consonant, and with consonants we use a. Remember, it's very important, this topic. And that's all. Thank you very much for your attention. See you later. Bye.